Reloading.
Alright.
Jiggle chainsaw.
Yeah! What do you want?
Uh-oh.
There's no way we can beat this. We have to kill the tank here. Like, yeah.
Okay.
Kill the zombies. We have to kill him here or we're gonna die at the elevator. And this is the best place to kill him. Right here.
I'm reloading.
Is he going after them? I think he's just gonna try to kill them. Yep, they're fucking hiding. Dumbass. It's gonna take a long. Wow.
I learned that Bill's attached to me, so I decided to just keep him in the safe room.
Oh yeah, Molly.
Fuck! Fuck! God damn it! It's always one comment.
Reloading. Reloading.
I need some help over here. Help over here.
Oh. Oh!
Oh my god.
What? He took his anger out on me.
No, I'm all right.
Come on, get up.
Oh no. Oh no.
Damn it, Francis, heal.
Oh! Oh, he's coming. He's coming.
No! Don't hit me! Bill!
I don't believe it.
I fucking got him. Got him!
I don't believe it.
Chainsaw boys. Hello. Bill?
Here. Oh god, I can't believe it.
Wait, Bill did that? What a fucking monster. Oh my god, the AI is a fucking chainsaw. Oh! You're, DJ? DJ? I didn't waste all that time to die to a goddamn smoker. Piece of shit. Oh my god, he's running. Dirty motherfucker.
What a scumbag.
He's gonna fucking die on the elevator. We wasted all that time. And his ass is gonna hit the elevator, he's gonna die within like, I give him a good minute. Alright, let me get my timer out.
There's a charger right there.
Less than 20 seconds. Not even. I didn't even get enough time to put my stopwatch out. I was just counting in my head. Alright.
I'm reloading.
Bastard.
Little do they know I saw those zombies jumped off, so they would make Alright, everyone get in the corner. Never mind. Oh my god. Anyone? Anyone? I made a mistake. Nano, why
Come up, I got it.
He doesn't care. He does not care. At this moment, Cake knew. Should have had a chainsaw.
Reloading. Come on, man, cover me.
I'm just staying in this corner and chainsaw and everything. While you guys stay in that corner and chainsaw everything. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, look at the boomer. Look at the boomer. He's hiding in the room. You can see his hand poking
Get
out.
the fuck in here. Make sure you guys jump on the elevator. Oh my god, there's one on the ground.
Yeah, blah, 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 blah. There we go.
Hey guys, we really need to work together on this one. So here's what I'll do. I'll do the front line as guard. Alright?
Alright.
Like you. Selfless.
I'm gonna stay back here. I'm gonna kill shit.
Come. Can't wait for the tank to spawn. 3, 2, 1.
Here it comes. Oh, I got caught in the cement.
That sounds like a witch. Can you kill that light?
I see 2 zombies.
Oh my god. That was something.
Oh, damn
Ah! I got a second.
Damn it.
Yes! Woohoo! Not loud.
It's Nano's 43 to my 36. So Nano basically
My time
What?
to. It's my time to piss it all away.
yeah, he basically has to die and not make it. If he gets any points at all, very close. It's been a while since there's a close death race. Usually the death races are so one-sided. One motherfucker has a good day. Oh my god.
Hey, open the door. I got Molly.
Okay. Wait, I forgot. Oh my. Oh, you can't melee the people underneath crates.
Ah!
Okay.
Bill. Bill, you better get me up. Don't you die. Oh, good, Bill.
I'm reloading. Don't
Alright,
worry,
so
won't
this
fall.
time,
I have you.
don't fall.
Let's get you up on your feet. Glad to be of help, old man.
Saying is, in order for us, anyone to make it, we kind of all have to work together.
Hey guys, I think we're almost there.
Kind of.
Okay. Oh yeah. That one off, man. Give me your legs.
What?
Legs.
Yeah, if I get first place on normal and Nano dies, that's the only way I can beat Nano. And we're talking about he'd have to die at normal. What are the fucking odds besides him like getting 100 last second? That's the only way I really see it happening.
Ah!
God. Oh So much for expert.
Charger coming in.
Oh!
Sounds angry.
Bye, Nano.
You'll be okay.
Oh, God.
Oh my god. No! Ah! You ran in front of me! I'm so mad.
Like, whoop, bam, boom.
Oh, shit.
Oh. Alright. This time we have to be like ninjas.
Let's get the hell.
Everybody wear your sneakers.
Yeah, that jockey wants to.
Focus.
No, 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 no,
Oh,
no.
the back! Bring him back, bring him back! No, 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 that!
I need it.
No! Failure was an option.
Damn. Charger's coming up for you, Cake. Yeah.
Aww.
Reloading.
Where is he?
Jesus.
I want Nano to die so bad
Big
right
he
now.
gonna be.
Reloading.
Oh, God, they're everywhere.
Ah! He got me. Hey, Nano, just come over here and help me.
Oh my god, chainsaw me. So fucking out there. Oh my god, you just fucking chainsaw. Oh my hell.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh.
I got an idea.
Nano, cut. Die.
He's coming for you? Nope, he's
Oh,
coming for me.
Bring him to my slow ass.
Nope, he's coming for me.
Oh, God, not Bill.
No. No.
I want to so bad.
I know. Ow!
Guess who's still alive? Uh-oh.
Oh my god. That not hit.
Got him.
Ha! He died.
Oh no!
Oh, Georgia!
That would have been it! I would have
This is why this is Lord.
Yes! I won! I won! I won! I won! Wait, I got out there first, right? Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Yes,
got out there first,
I
I got
won by
out there
1 point. I won by 1 fucking point. Pretty sure.